Shopping abroad without the money words is risky. These 10 words keep your wallet safe. From the price tag to the change. Number 1, the most useful question.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
It means how much does it cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta esta camisa azul?
Number 2, the word for price.
Precio.
Look for it on every tag.
El precio es muy alto hoy.
Number 3, the word for expensive.
Caro.
Say it to start bargaining.
Es demasiado caro para mí.
Number 4, the word for cheap.
Barato.
The word you love to hear.
Este mercado es muy barato.
Number 5, the word for discount.
Descuento.
Always ask if there is one.
¿Me puede hacer un descuento?
Number 6, the word for a sale.
Oferta.
It means a special offer.
Estos zapatos están en oferta.
Number 7, the verb for paying.
Pagar.
Cash or card, you'll need it.
Puedo pagar con tarjeta aquí.
Number 8, the word for cash.
Efectivo.
Many small shops only take this.
Solo acepto pago en efectivo.
Number 9, the word for change.
Cambio.
Always count it before leaving.
¿Me da el cambio, por favor?
Number 10, the word for receipt.
Recibo.
Ask for it to avoid scams.
¿Me puede dar un recibo?
Now you can ask, compare, bargain, and pay like a local.
¿Cuánto cuesta? Precio, caro, barato, descuento, oferta, pagar, efectivo, cambio, recibo.
Which word surprised you most? Tell me below. Next, 10 Spanish numbers tricks to count like a native.